after Jackie left the repair shop, she was making her way to the shunting yard to get refueled. Then she coupled up to Penny's tender. Aha! There's the Periwinkle steam bag! Look who she's with! Let's destroy her! Run! Quick! Oh, Jackie, I'm gonna help you! Then Casey, Gwen, Penny, and Jackie sped off. I'm gonna get you now, you steam bags, she said. No, you won't! Moaned Jackie's firewoman. You can't get us now! And then they rocketed along. Then a child threw rocks in the truck by accident, and then Poison Duck smashed them! Aha! That was funny, she said! I'm gonna tailgate you! And then the 4 engines were chased forever. We have to get faster, said Casey. Women engines can do smart things, Jackie said. Just not when there's a chase. And then Darkstar was cross. Pretty fast for a steam bag! And they rocketed over a bridge and into a tunnel. Coming steam bag! And then there was a freight train of nuclear waste. It was going fast. The 4 engines made it over the intersection right on time, and then Darkstar's operator slammed the brakes on. It was too late! When Alexia and LaShonda saw the crash, they were stunned. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Darkstar was destroyed and smashed. I hope this crash gets cleaned up soon, said Alexia. We'll never see Darkstar again. We probably won't, said LaShonda. Darkstar was destroyed. Later that day, Mr. Cakester had come home. Glad you're home, sir, Jackie said. These are the new engines. I know, I met them, said Cakester. And it's time for me to say goodbye, said Mrs. Conductor. Goodbye, Jackie and the preschool wheelers. And the engines watched the sunset as another train arrived, and then Mrs. Conductor disappeared, and the train clattered over the crossing at 67 miles an hour. A few days later, the New Floridian Island was back to its old glory again, while the trains did their work while being really useful. And that's how it was normal once again.